Here at Rampart, Bald for Bucks has become a part of our identity. Each year, we choose a hero family with a cancer survivor to be a featured part of the event. It is people like Jalen Thompson and his family that Bald for Bucks is made to help.
The hero families serve as the face of Bald for Bucks each year, year in, year out. They're true heroes. They're battling something, waking up each day battling cancer. They face that every day as a family. And for them to agree to let us be a part of their journey and for them to be a part of our story is probably the most inspirational thing about Bald for Bucks. It makes real what we try to do as a community.
When Jalen Thompson first got diagnosed with cancer, his life changed drastically.
So it was back on April 10th of 2018 is when he was diagnosed with ALL leukemia.
One of the big things is with his type of cancer and his immune system, his body doesn't react the same to diseases and colds and stuff, so they can be a lot more severe, and you don't get the same symptoms. So for us, we spent 3 years just in total fear of fevers. If you got a fever, that meant automatically we had 48 hours of isolation in the emergency room. So it was your whole life just rotates around your diet and your health.
Along with that too, the medicine that he could take, every single thing we had to check with the doctor. So we couldn't give him just regular Benadryl or Tylenol when he gets sick. So every time he gets sick or something's off, we'd always have to contact the doctor to see what next steps as he was going through chemo at the same time.
The things Jalen liked to do were put on hold for the duration of his treatment.
There's no preparation for the things that you go through with a diagnosis like this, and the treatments and the protocols and everything that you have to deal with. Yeah, so a lot of the outdoor stuff we couldn't do, like fishing and stuff, because any risk of getting a cut and getting any of the bacteria in any of the waters. So, for 3 years we were pretty much indoor activities.
Pretty much doing anything took a lot of energy, but now, because I'm done with treatment, I can run pretty easily. I can do pretty much anything a normal kid can do.
I think Jalen's just a hero. I mean, that's all there is to be said about this, but to be diagnosed so young, I believe he was 7 at the time, and to go through this when you're just trying to be a kid and live your life, I mean, he's absolutely amazing. I just think he's a hero in my eyes.
Jalen overcame cancer due to his treatment. It has given him a chance to be an astronaut. So let's help other kids like Jalen.
If I could share one message with the Rampart community is just get involved. If you're participating, great. We'll be doing signups through February 11th. More importantly, if you just want to make a difference, donate. Support somebody that's next to you that's going to shave their head or donate their hair. And that way when you're a part of this assembly, you feel like you made a difference.
Childhood cancer gets less than 4% of the federal funding that we give for cancer research. It is vastly underfunded. So everybody out there that is donating and supporting a cause like this, we thank you from the bottom of our heart.
I just would love for students to get involved in whatever way it is. If you want to shave your head, if you want to cut your hair, if you just want to give a donation to somebody, every little bit counts and it makes a difference.
I just want to say donating to this just helps a lot. Shortening the amount of treatment I had to do and not having to take many pills, it doesn't seem like that big at first glance because I already take a few pills, but it was just humongous especially that I got cancer-free 3 months early. I was supposed to do it in June, but instead of having that, I got it early. So thank you for donating.